Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge two or more documents from your Google Docs. So first you are going to open your drive, and then in the home page you will see the gear icon. You just click here, then you choose the first option, settings. Then in the options here in the left section you are going to choose manage apps, and then you are going to select connect more apps. Just wait a little bit, and then in the search app you are going to type merge, and then after you search for merge, here you will find merge Google document. You are going to click on install, and then you click continue. You just finish those steps, continue, then you make sure to check select all, then you just click on continue, and now it is ready to be used. You just close this one. Then after you finish that step, you are going to go back to your drive. You select my drive or home. Then as you can see, we are going to merge those two documents. So we choose the first one, we click on the three dots, then you'll see here the option open with. We are going to choose merge Google document. We choose this one, and then we are going to select files from Google Drive. You click that one. Now you choose this one, you click select, and now we have our two documents and ready to be merged. You just click on merge document spreadsheets, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.